Hey, we're here today at eimports4Less talking about a recent addition to our inventory. This here is a 2001 Ford F-250 Super Duty. It's a two-tone blue-green over gold with a beige interior, and it currently has 85,000 miles on it. A couple of features of this one: it's a Triton V10 powered four-wheel drive pickup truck, crew cab, sliding glass rear window, remote keyless entry, 6-disc in-dash CD changer. Overall, it's in pretty good condition. There are a couple of dents and dings and rust spots here and there. We'll take a quick look around the interior. These are leather captain chairs up front. Lariat logo embroidered into the seats. And all the details can be seen anytime at eimports.com. And we can take questions here at the store, 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out.